What's up guys, Matthew Belcher, 8built.com. Today in the shop we got a 2016 Toyota Tundra. We've done quite a bit of work to it. We just wanted to give you all an overview. It's been a while since we did a YouTube video. We've been slacking on it, so sorry, we've just been covered up with all these projects we got going. Appreciate all the work. But anyways, 2016 Toyota Tundra. We did quite a bit of work to this thing for one of our customers. Some of the easier work was putting on this front bumper here. We got a LED light bar, and we also got the Smittybuilt 10,000 pound winch. That was very easy to get installed. More of the in-depth work that we did here was more of the Dirt King fabrication long travel suspension kit, which comes with the aftermarket Dirt King lower control arms, the aftermarket upper control arms. It also comes with a brace that gets welded in to the outside spindle here. And so we had to weld this all in, and we also have the bypass. So he can install, this customer can install bypass shocks should he want to. The kit comes with King coilovers. I believe it's a 3.0 coilover. It's a pretty nice setup, to be honest with you. From the kit that comes directly from them, comes with the nice King shocks and the upper and lower control arms. We also added extended, this is a four-wheel drive Tundra, so you have to get the extended axle shafts because of the kick out. You have to have an extended axle shaft in order to get your axles still to reach the spindle and whatnot to spin your front wheel. Also comes with extended brake lines. It was a little time consuming and detailed, but it also comes with, I don't know if you can see with the camera, you want to come around here to the side, these braces that get welded into the frame. So on the front of the upper control arm, you've got a brace that gets welded in and also ties into the back. And then on the rear of the upper control arm, you've got a brace that comes, and all that comes with the Dirt King kit, and it all welds into the back of the, basically the shock hoop. And then you've got this aftermarket bar that comes in, and this is where the bypass shocks, should the customer want to run one, the upper gets mounted to, and then the lower is of course down here in the lower control arm from Dirt King. You've also got limit straps. Everything's fully adjustable. It's a very serious kit. I like it a lot. It was pretty easy to install, just time consuming because doing things right, installing it, setting it all up, welding it and burning it in, and taking everything back off, doing a full paint job, making sure everything's clean the way we like to do it here in the shop. It is time consuming, but that's how you get a good quality product at the end. We've got it set up for about 1 inch of ride height. I believe the suspension kit goes anywhere from 0 to 4 inches. So you can actually maintain factory height with the long travel kit, or you can bump it up to a 4-inch lift. And I believe you can accommodate a 37-inch tire with this thing. So it gives you a good amount of travel. I think 0 to 14 inches is the amount of travel that comes with the kit, but it's a serious kit. I definitely recommend it. If y'all are needing something like that installed, definitely holler at us. After we did the long travel kit, we also built a set of 8-built tree kickers. We use 3/16 thick. When we do these tree kickers on trucks and Jeeps and whatnot, we like to use a rectangular tubing on the inside just because it gives kind of a good step and a good platform. And we're also running the Dragon in here, the Dragon CNC, so we can basically draw this in CAD and get the notches to where they're wrapped around the rectangular tubing real nice and tight. Gives a good quality spot for a good nice MIG bead to go in there. But these are the tree kickers, and they're welded into the frame. Like I said, all 3/16 steel, so it's solid. A Tundra's a big heavy truck, so if you're hitting some stuff and he's going off-road with this thing, you don't want 120 wall, which is 1/8 inch. So we chose to bump it up to a 3/16. It can maintain the weight. It's a pretty nice truck. More work to come on this thing. We've got another one of this customer's trucks, did air lockers on a Silverado for him. He's doing some crazy stuff. So there should be more videos to follow. Appreciate all the support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. 8built.com. We got a turnkey build going on over here. Another flatbed back over there. We're covered up with it. So if y'all want a turnkey bouncer, a turnkey crawler, don't hesitate to holler at us. Keep the work coming. Appreciate you fellas. 8built.com.